Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best working promo codes of Studio. So step 1 is just open a browser inside your laptop or PC or phone, doesn't really matter, and go to the Google or search bar and just write down this website, which is coupon. Just write down couponfollow.com, press enter, and you will see this website called couponfollow.com. Once you're at the home page of couponfollow.com, on the right side you will see a search section. Just click on it and write down here Studio, and you will see the website studio.co.uk. So just open the website, and now as you can see the rating is basically 4.3, 18 watts. That means like some of the codes are working short, some of them might not be working, which is not really important because the list is basically available, and some of them might work, some of them might not. So just choose the promo code. Let's say I want to go with the 30% off. Just click on show promo code or show coupon code, and you will see copy and paste this code. Just copy the code, and just you can directly go to the Studio website from this section and use the code inside this section. Now there's another code as well, like, which is basically 10% off. That is your choice. Try some codes, some of them might be working, so use them and enjoy the discount.